Well, it's 26 below out right now. It actually warmed up a little bit. It was about 30 below. And this is what I'm using to heat with. I'm running low on wood, but I think I'll make it. It's nice and warm in here. What is the temperature? Let's see. It's 87 degrees in here right now. So we're not cold. Thank God. I'm just thankful that we have wood. But I'm mixing it with coal. $26 below. Yeah. Clear night. This reminds me of the coldest night I've ever seen in my life was in the 80s. And I lived up on the Canadian border. And the neighbors, all of us agreed it was 72 below. And there was no wind. We're not talking wind chill. I know that sounds crazy, but it wasn't an official. Oh, how's that? Look at that. Oh, man, there's nothing like this type of heat. You can't get this from a forced air furnace. Sorry, if you don't know anything about wood burners, you need to discover them. And this is my water. I get hot water that way. And it heats quite well. I get all of my firewood for free. I just have to go get it. But I'm down to my last bit. I think I have enough to get through at least another week. But I'm trying to get more wood. I'm hoping it will warm up for a while. 26 below. Here, we'll see if we can. Well, I've probably got more than a week's worth, probably a couple weeks here. I was looking at the weather. It's 30 below out. It's 92 in here. Holy shit. Let's go outside and cool off. 30 below. Yeah. It's pretty crisp.